Namaste everyone, this is Madhuri here from Madhuri Yoga. We all know Surya Namaskar is a wonderful practice to keep ourselves healthy and happy. Surya Namaskar is a one-stop solution for all our health issues. But sometimes due to physical limitations, injuries or health issues, some of us may not be able to practice the regular Surya Namaskar. By the way, if you want to check out our tutorial on how to practice regular Surya Namaskar, it is linked up here. So as I was saying, if you are unable to practice the regular Surya Namaskar for whatever reason that may be, what can we do? Here is a solution for it. So we are going to practice Chair Surya Namaskar. Yes, you can sit on a chair and practice Surya Namaskar. Let's check it out how to do it. Let us begin Chair Surya Namaskar. Sit comfortably on the chair. Make sure your feet are touching the ground. You can take back support if you want to, but make sure your spine is straight. Keep your shoulders and neck relaxed. Let us begin. Slowly bring your hands in front of your chest into Namaskara Mudra. Raise both the hands up, bend backwards, look up as much as you can. Bring your hands down, bend forward, take your hands down to your feet. Touch your feet if you can reach. Next, interlock your fingers. Place your palms on the right shin bone. Lift your leg up. Place your foot on the chair if possible. Lift your head up, bend backwards, bend back as much as you can, giving a wonderful back bend. Slowly bring your chin down, bend your head, try to touch your forehead to your knee. Slowly release your hands. Very gently bring your leg down. Next, take your hands down. Try to touch your feet. Lift your head up. Look forward. Give a wonderful stretch to your spine. Next, interlock your fingers. Place both the palms on the left shin bone. Very gently lift your leg up. Try to place the foot on the chair. If the foot does not come to the chair, you can let it hang in the air. Now slowly lift your head up. Look back as much as you can. Very slowly bring your chin down. Bend forward. Try to take your forehead to the knee. If your forehead does not touch the knee, that's all right. With practice, it is going to happen easily. Next, release your hands. Very slowly, bring your leg down. Next, take your hands to your feet. Now, bring your hands up, raise your hands, take your hands backwards, lift your head up, bend back as much as you can. Finally, bring your hands in front of your chest to Namaskara Mudra. That was pretty easy and simple to follow, isn't it? So from now on, due to any reason, if you find practicing regular Surya Namaskar challenging, you can definitely switch to practicing Chair Surya Namaskar. The best thing about this is that even senior citizens can practice. So when we say yoga is for all, we definitely mean it. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you want to get in touch with us regarding our online yoga classes, all the links are posted below. Keep practicing, be kind, be present, be grateful. Namaste.